Hi everyone, welcome to Bio 110 section 221N. This Bio 110 is fully online, meaning that you will be completing lecture and lab online through Blackboard. My name is Dr. Shirley Foley and I'll be your instructor this semester. Because we won't really be able to meet each other, I wanted to create this video so that you kind of had an idea of how to move around in Blackboard, where to find your assignments, and where to find the expectations. So let's get started. When you log into Blackboard and then click on our course, this is where you'll land the announcement page. Please check this page often because every week, at least once, if not twice, I'll be sending announcements letting you know that there are upcoming deadlines and where you should be at that particular point. I also send these announcements out as emails, so you can check your email as well. If you look at the tabs over on the left, this is where you will find all the meat or the important stuff for the course. Under Start Here, you can find the syllabus and the enrollment verification assignment. The enrollment verification assignment is right at the top, as you'll see, and it has to be done by August 24th. The syllabus, if you scroll down below the halfway point, also has information on how the lecture and the lab is graded and what the expectations are. So go over this syllabus really well. Faculty information contains my phone number, my office hours, and my email, which is the best way to reach me. Course content is where you will find lecture, and lab content is where you will find lab. One thing to keep in mind is that you have to complete both lecture and lab to pass the course. You can't ignore one over the other. Lecture will count as 75% of your grade and lab will count as 25% of your grade. So make sure that you're completing assignments in both. If you click on Start Here, you'll see the enrollment verification assignment. This lets us know that you're ready to get started in the course. If you look around, you can see that you don't see any of your units or any assignments, and that's because you actually have to complete the enrollment verification assignment first, and then your first unit will open up both in lecture and lab. If you do not complete this by 11:59 p.m. on August 24th, you will be dropped from the course and there will be no refund. You'll also see the syllabus. This is your link to the syllabus. Again, go over this very well because your expectations for the course are in there. And the course guidelines and documents are 2 to 3 documents. One of them will be this PowerPoint, and another one is a Word document that gives you some information on how to complete the discussion board and what the different parts of Blackboard are. If you move to course content, there are about 2 or 3 slides on this. One of the first things you'll see is the course schedule, and this schedule will stay at the top the entire semester. Print it out, do whatever you need to do, but these are the dates that you need to follow this semester so that you can meet your deadlines. There are 5 units on the left. You'll see when the units are available. Not all units are available the whole semester. They open and close. You complete them one at a time. On the right, you'll see when the exams are available for each unit. So make sure that you're following this schedule well. As you scroll down in course content, you'll start to see your units. Unit 1 will be the first one, and then it will close according to the schedule, and Unit 2 will open next, and so on and so forth. But you can see for Unit 1, you've got your lecture that's in course content, but it also lets you know to go to lab content so that you could access the lab as well, the lab units in there as well. If you click on Unit 1, this is what all the units look like. Unit 1, first there is a checklist of things that you need to accomplish by the due date, the outcomes that we want you to think about and accomplish before you finish Unit 1. And then Unit 1 has 2 chapters in it, and you can see the folders for these 2 chapters. Each one of these folders, if you click on them, you will find review notes. You will find the PowerPoint, the reading assignment, and each chapter has a quiz that you need to take. So you want to make sure that you complete the work in each one of these folders. In every single unit, you will have 3 other assignments: a wiki definitions, a blog, and a discussion board. For Unit 1, the discussion board is getting to know you. You have to complete these for each unit by the closing date of the unit, and then at the appropriate time, the exam that you see down here will actually open. That will be September 5th. So Unit 2 will look exactly like this, except it will be different chapters. If you go into lab content, you'll see how the lab is graded. 90% are your lab assignments, and I will drop 2 of your lowest grades. And then 10% is the lab project, which I will actually send you information about in the next few weeks. The lab course schedule will stay posted here the entire semester. These dates should correspond to the lecture dates, meaning when you're doing lecture 1, Unit 1 in lecture, you should be doing Unit 1 labs for lab. The due dates are the same for all the different units. Once you get past the schedule, you'll see the folders for each lab. If you click on those folders, you will see a unit. There are 3 labs in each unit, so you'll see the 3 labs in each unit. And as you click on those folders, you'll see the checklist, and then you'll also see the assignment and how to complete it, upload it so that I can grade it. This is basically the course. Again, the most important thing, since it's fully online, is to keep up. Make sure you know when those due dates are. Make sure that you're not coming in the day of the due date and trying to get all the work done. So if you were actually taking this course in class, you would spend approximately 2.5 to 3 hours in lecture and 2.5 to 3 hours in lab. And then you would spend outside time completing assignments and studying. So you want to make sure that you are setting up a time to come into the course and spending that amount of time in the course to get the work done. Look under faculty information. If you have any questions at all, do not wait until the last minute. Please email me. I respond very quickly. And I will do my best to try to help you figure out if something is going wrong or to answer questions you have on the material. So good luck, and I look forward to working with you this semester and getting to know you in the Getting to Know You discussion board. And again, please email me if you have any questions.